Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy, your pal, Lennon Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing. This shipped, I believe, from Cleveland, from Amazon Prime. It's listed as heavy. I don't want to show you my address, but it went from Ohio all the way to South Bend, Indiana. And as always, thanks so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Got some bubble wrap. Love me some bubble wrap. You're going to find a lot of random stuff that I like. I will buy in bulk. I will hunt and find the cheapest possible way to get it so that way I can save some money. First up, we've got Jack's Link's Meat Snacks Tender Cuts. This is prime rib seasoning. I absolutely love Jack's Link's. I am not sponsored by them or any other product, but I wish I was. I'm buying these with my own money. It's just stuff that I enjoy. I try and find as cheap as humanly possible. But I would love to be the poster boy for Jack's Links. You know that Sasquatch guy? I could be his son. Then we've got the brand new to me Hickory Smoked Beef Jerky. I have not tried this yet, but I cannot wait to try it. Do you guys like taste test reviews of jerky? Let me know. Maybe I'll do one of those. This is not for me. This is for my mom. She tans outside. This is Copper Tone Sunscreen Lotion, tanning, lightweight, and moisturizing 8. I enjoy finding healthy snacks and having taste-y snacks. This is Blue Diamond Almond Bold Spicy Dill Pickle. Get like one of these a month. You guys want to see a taste test of that? Let me know. So this has been pushed back for months and months thanks to the bastard that is COVID. Emergency Immune Plus, 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C plus. This is cherry. I'm a cherry freak. I love cherry with all my heart, and I try and find cherry stuff. So, yeah, this stuff is supposed to help boost immunity. I don't know if it really does, but all I know is thanks to damn COVID, I haven't had it in forever. This is Jack's Link's Feel Your Wild Side Jalapeno Sizzle Beef and Cheese. So what I like to do is try, well, now that we're back to normal and the movie theaters are open, when I'm sick of popcorn, which ain't gonna happen, I'll be sneaking in beef jerky as my snack, or just on car trips and stuff. I've never had these before, but it is I think it's pepper jack cheese. I don't know, it looks great. I can't wait to try these. I'll be probably doing taste testing reviews eventually, but yeah, I can't wait. I cannot wait. This is Quest Blueberry Muffin Protein Bars. They look absolutely freaking phenomenal. So I'll probably be doing taste tests of those. I've done reviews of some of their protein bars already, and their protein shakes. So pause the video and, hit the search bar on my username and you'll find it. Type in Quest. Another one I got was Quest Cookies and Cream. I mean, it just looks amazing. Doesn't it? I've not been disappointed by a Quest product yet. I'm not sponsored by them. I wish I was. Jack's Link's Meat Snacks Teriyaki, one of the best flavors out there. It is so good. There's no heat to it. No heat at all, but it's delicious. We're coming up towards the end. That's what she said. So this is a 2-pack, and I got my beard stuck in the tape. Sweet and hot beef jerky from Jack's Link's Meat Snacks. I don't think I've had it, but it sounds delicious, and I cannot wait. Got my bulk size of Planters mixed nuts. This includes, this is made of pure sea salt, less than 50% peanuts. Peanuts, almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, and pecans. Or do you guys say pecans? Let me know. I got the bold sea salt and vinegar, Blue Diamond almonds. These are good. This is like a healthy snack. I know there's 6 servings per container, but this is one serving right here. Come on. But what I might do is actually mix them up with the Planters mixed nuts, so that way you get a little bit of that vinegary yumminess. So this is the last. It's like Inception with boxes. Once again, not sponsored by any of these beautiful, wonderful products, but I wish I was. I got a whole box of Quest brand tortilla style protein chips, nacho cheese flavor. 18 grams of protein, 4 net carbs. So there's 5 net carbs minus 1 gram of fiber equals 4 net carbs. No added soy ingredients, baked, never fried, and they are gluten free. So there's a lot of stuff in this box, but I can't wait to try it. I'll try and do taste tests of everything. Once again, Quest products, I do taste test reviews of those. So after you watch this video, please hit the notification bell. Please subscribe and do a search. Type in Quest in my own search bar, and you're going to find tons and tons of other nutritional, healthy-ish stuff that I do taste tests and reviews of, and I'll give you my honest opinion. Thanks so much for watching. Cash at me at London Hawthorne. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, share. Go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Use my username, London Hawthorne. You'll save a couple bucks off each and every shirt. Thanks so much for watching. Wish you the best. Have a good one.